You run miles and count calories, but your body stops cooperating. Diets and endless cardio that worked before are now failing you. After 40, metabolic rules completely change. Suddenly, you carry stubborn fat right around your middle. Estrogen decline leaves cortisol to drive belly fat storage. This is a hormonal mismatch, not willpower. You've hit what feels like an invisible wall. The energy you had at 30 is gone. Your fitness tracker tells you to push harder, but your biology is screaming, "Stop." This is the exact breaking point where most women surrender to aging. My wife, a medical doctor, hears about aging joint pain and fatigue daily. But we refused to accept this decline as normal. Together, we uncovered the science of longevity. The real culprit behind midlife fatigue is anabolic resistance. Aging muscles resist the protein you eat and training you do. Standard fitness advice fails this locked door. Without heavy loads, your body breaks down muscle for energy. Muscle protein synthesis drops 40% in midlife women. To unlock muscle growth, we change the signal. Ditch light weights, lift heavy to trigger your nervous system. Heavy lifting forces your brain to recruit dormant fibers. But watch exactly what happens when you finally introduce real, heavy resistance training. Your dormant nervous system wakes up, and that heavy brain fog starts to clear. You aren't just building muscle. You are reclaiming your biological drive. This mechanical load is your hormonal corrective. With declining estrogen, muscle fibers undergo a molecular crisis. It impairs muscle bonding, stripping strength before size. You feel less powerful doing everyday things. While men lose muscle size, women lose explosive power first. These fast-twitch fibers are your metabolic engine. Wait, before we fix that, there is a silent issue stealing your health even faster. Look. You can save these fibers by moving differently. Pair a heavy lift directly with an explosive jump. Do 3 to 5 explosive reps. Move with maximum speed. This keeps your fast-twitch fibers alive. Power decline starts early, stealing your balance and stability. Failing a 10-second balance test doubles 10-year mortality risk. Balance reads your nervous system like a book. Aging slows nerve conduction speed from your feet to your brain. Cushioned shoes and machines let your stabilizing muscles go dark. But balance is a highly trainable skill. I teach women foot prep, toe scrunches, and balance holds. Waking up foot stabilizers catches you before you fall. Reconnect your wiring to rebuild stability. Hormonal shifts target your brain, risking cognitive decline. Memory and attention subregions shrink every single decade. The cure isn't a brain game, it's lifting. Twice weekly progressive resistance training physically reverses cognitive decline. Lifting weights halts brain degeneration and preserves white matter. Every heavy rep is armor for your brain. To protect your brain, ditch machines. Use free weights instead. Free weights force your motor cortex to calculate stability. You train mind and muscle simultaneously. But this only works if you stop starving yourself. Calorie restriction triggers a dangerous metabolic alarm. Chronic dieting spikes stress, storing fat around your organs. To drop fat, signal nutritional abundance. To trigger repair, muscles need a chemical key called leucine. Leucine flips the cellular switch to start building muscle. You need 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Eat too little protein, and muscle growth is zero. It is wasted. Without protein, your body steals amino acids from your bones. And this is exactly why eating like a bird will completely backfire on you. When you finally feed your body what it requires, the stress signals stop. You flip the switch from fat storage directly into muscle repair. 40 grams protects your muscle. But if you're plant-based, plant proteins contain less leucine and absorb slower. Increase portion sizes or blend pea and seed proteins. Fuel your aging body with absolute intention. Stop running from it. 90 minutes of high-intensity cardio fights your own biology. Chronic cardio spikes cortisol, burning muscle and hoarding fat. Stop wearing out your joints for zero return. Swap grueling cardio for conversational, slow walking. Zone 2 trains your mitochondria to burn fat for fuel. It is active recovery, not starvation. Keep high intensity short, rare, and truly explosive. Short sprints build power without a massive cortisol spike. Work with your stress hormones, not against them. But wait. What if your joints already hurt when you lift? Build tendon strength first using stationary isometrics. We build the joint shield first. For power, focus on master-level soft landing mechanic. Landing like a ninja stimulates bone-building cells safely. Imagine walking up a flight of stairs without your knees sounding like crushed glass. Imagine picking up something heavy without that terrifying twinge in your lower back. This is what happens when you bulletproof your joints the right way. This is joint-friendly, bone-building power. But what about, does hormone replacement therapy solve everything? HRT restores baselines, but the barbell is still mandatory. The metabolic work is still yours to do. Lift heavy 3 days with short power warm-ups. Prioritize walking, high-quality protein, and restorative sleep. Ditch guesswork for a sustainable lifespan rhythm. Aging powerfully is a choice. Reclaim control of your biology. Ditch starvation, lift heavy, and feed your body abundance. If you don't know exactly what to do when you walk into the gym, watch this video next to master the perfect heavy squat.